Hi everyone, welcome to the first video for your quiz review. We are going over question number 1. It says find the area and circumference for the following circle. Enter your exact answers in terms of pi. Now before we get started, notice that it says enter it in terms of pi, but pi is already there for you in both answers after your little blank. So you do not have to multiply anything by pi, you do not have to type pi into your calculator, you do not have to type pi at all. You just want to enter the number in front of pi when you do your final answer. Alright, so the first thing we're looking for is our area. Remember, let's use an actual pen. My area formula, area equals pi times r squared. And r is our radius. Remember, that's like halfway across my circle. So 11 here is going to be r. So we're doing pi times 11 squared. Now if I square 11, I get 121 pi, and then we're going to go ahead and stop here. This is my final answer. My units were feet, so it's going to be feet squared because we're talking about area. So this is our answer, 121 pi feet squared. But again, remember, we only want to put that number in front of pi in as our answer. So if I went back to my little blank one, I would type in 121, and 121 would pop up here. Alright, the next thing you need to find is your circumference. Your circumference is 2 pi r. Again, our radius is 11, so we're going to do 2 pi times 11. Really what I want to do is 2 times 11, which is 22 pi. Again, we're going to stop once we have our numbers simplified in front of pi, and this is going to be our final answer, is 22 pi. Circumference, it's just feet for units. Again, we don't want to type in that information, that like pi part of my information. So in the blank, I would type in 22, and again, it would pop up here. And that's your final answer for your first problem.